Bonjour, this is Cooking Fabulously, the channel that aims to put more fun and fabulousness into French food. My name's Andrew Pryor, and well, my food, it's a little bit like me. It might not look pretty, but it sure does taste good. It's all the rage, especially if you've seen my Instagram at the moment, to roast a whole cauliflower in the oven. It's one of my favourite things to do. But another great way to eat cauliflower is in my next recipe, which is a galette de chou-fleur. Chou-fleur is French for cauliflower, and galette, well, it's just basically cauliflower pancakes, and they're delicious. The French use them as a way of getting their children to eat vegetables, but I think they're delicious as a side dish or just as a perfect little lunch. Let's get cooking, shall we? By the way, if you're new to Cooking Fabulously, press the like button and the subscribe button. There's a little bell notification right next to that. If you press that, then you'll get an email every time I release a new video. And really, who wouldn't want that? The ingredients for this dish are right, so this dish couldn't be simpler. All you need to do, firstly, is get your dry ingredients, which is your flour, your turmeric, 1 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Just give that a bit of a whisk to combine. Then you want to add your cream and your 1 egg. It's been tiny whisked. Maybe my whisk needs to be a little bit tinier. And then we just want to give that a good whisk until it's fully combined and there's no lumps. Something like that. Changing to a spatula, I'm then going to add my grated cheese and stir that around to combine. And then finally, I'm going to add my grated onion and the grated 250 grams of cauliflower, which is roughly about 1/4 of the head of a decent sized cauliflower. Rightio, give that a good mix to combine. I'm just going to put some plastic wrap over the top of this and then pop that in the fridge for 30 minutes and then it'll be ready to fry up. So that's our 30 minutes up. Take our mixture out of the fridge. Just on a medium-high heat, I've got a nice big heavy base saucepan that I've added my butter to. And you just want to melt that butter. Make sure the butter's completely melted. I just want to get about a tablespoon of my cauliflower mixture. Place that down in the butter. I like a bit of unevenness. Gives me a few little crispy edges. And just continue that with the remaining batter. Don't want to overcrowd the pan too much. 6 in there at the moment. I'm going to pop this back into the fridge. We're going to cook these on a medium heat until they're brown, about 4 minutes on each side. Chop that over. Whoop, lovely. Flip that one over. Yep, beautiful. Getting a lovely colour from that turmeric. And of course, turmeric, it's very healthy for you. So again, cook those for about 4 minutes on that side. So just going to remove them from the pan. And then I'll just take a paper towel, give that pan a good wipe down. Making sure I'm not going to burn myself because it is a hot pan, remember. And just add another knob of butter. And cook our second batch. And of course, because I'm cooking something, there's a dog here. Hello Lenny, how are you? What are you waiting for? You paid your treats? These are mine. And there you go, they're done. And here you have my delicious Galette de Chou-Fleur. You could have it like it is with a bit of salad on the side for a light lunch, or you could do what I'm going to do and have it with some lovely salmon fillets with my hollandaise sauce on top. Yum, delicious. I hope you enjoy making the Galette de Chou-Fleur.